There are more than 4 billion people using social media all over the world. So your tourism business can target people all over Ireland and beyond on social. To create amazing content, you need to measure it and see what works and what doesn't. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how to measure the success of your social media posts. So let's get started. Past performing posts are often the best indicator of future post performance. So always check your analytics to see what your audience loves and recreate it. You should first create goals for your content. Are you looking to increase your brand awareness, engagement levels, or traffic to your website? To increase your brand awareness, you want to focus on increasing your follower count. The best way to gain new followers is through Instagram Reels. Reels have up to a 6 weeks lifespan compared to a photo that will stay on your followers' feed for up to 72 hours. If you want to increase your engagement levels, post more photos of you, the business owner, in action. Showing your face and telling people why you started your business will drive likes and comments. Finally, to increase traffic to your website, promote your special offers like a free bottle of wine with every meal or a midweek discount on your tours. When your goal is to drive traffic to your website, use the call to action like click our link in bio for more information. Your link in bio is your website link on your Instagram profile page. Now let's see how to check your analytics and analyze results. Let's look at the analytics of your latest Instagram post. To view your post analytics, go to your post and click View Insights. At the top, you'll see how many people liked the post, commented on it, or saved it. To like a post, you have to double tap on a photo or video or click like below the post. If you receive a like on your post, that shows that the user enjoyed it. To encourage likes, add a call to action to your caption. For example, double tap if you agree, or hit like if you enjoyed this type of content. An Instagram comment is a response that users can leave on a posted photo or video. Provided it's a positive comment, that means the user loved your post. To encourage comments, add a call to action to your caption. For example, what do you think? Comment below. A save is when someone hits save on your post, so they can save it to view it again later. This means your post was extremely valuable. To encourage saves, add a call to action to your caption. For example, save this for later. For a successful post, there should be a healthy balance of likes, comments, and saves. This means that your audience was so impressed with your post that they stopped scrolling and engaged. There is no magic number when it comes to likes or comments. If you want to achieve more likes, recreate posts that performed well in the past. If you want to achieve more sales, encourage your audience to click your website link in your bio. Create more conversational posts to receive more comments. For example, mention your favorite local hikes. Ask people in the caption if they've tried this hike before. Scroll down to Insights, and under Reach, you'll see the number of followers and non-followers that have seen your posts. When your post gets seen by non-followers, then your account begins to grow. Now scroll down to Profile Activity, and you'll see some of the metrics that contribute to success. Website taps means you are driving traffic to your website, and follows indicate that your post was so good that people decided to follow you. Check your insights once per week and adjust your content strategy accordingly. So there you have it. In other videos, we'll cover how to look at your Instagram insights in more detail and how to boost your posts to more people. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at falltoireland.ie.